Good morning students, welcome back to English 2 class and today we will start chapter number 13 offshore. Okay, so we will begin this chapter. The whole Sarma family was on a visit to New Zealand this winter. The Sarma family, they went to visit New Zealand this winter. Okay. That fun-filled day, they were visiting the fjords, Milford Sound near Queensland. So, they visited the fjords, Milford Sound near Queensland. What is fjord? Fjord here means a long narrow inlet of the sea between cliffs. You can see in the picture. So, this is the fjords. They climbed on to a small boat to see the fjord. As they went ahead, the fjords opened up to the silent, mysterious world. So they climbed on a small boat. The Sarma family, they climbed on a small boat to see the fjord. As they went ahead, the fjords opened up to a silent, mysterious world. Why? Because hidden on the sides of the fjords, they saw cute seal pups sunbathing between the rocks. You might have seen the seal on Discovery or Geography Channel, National Geography Channel. Okay, seal you might have seen. So they saw the cute seal pups, the puppies of the seal, sunbathing between the rocks. Okay, some of them looked black while some in shades of browns and greys camouflaged in their surrounding. Camouflage means what? Means to hide the presence. Their color was such that they could not be thought of that they were seal. Anyone may think that they might be stones. Okay, their color was such they could. Their shades they were in shades of browns and greys and black, camouflaged in their surrounding. Okay, at a distance, a pod of dolphins swam along a large tourist cruise liner. What is cruise liner? Cruise liner means a passenger ship used for pleasure voyages. Okay, so at a distance, a pod means a group of dolphins. They swam along a large tourist cruise liner. It almost looked that they were dancing to the tune of the splashing water. As the waters were splashing, it seemed that they were dancing to that tune. Okay, to that sound of splashing water. A clear blue sky, lush green mountain with crystal clear waterfalls gushing down a big rainbow, all this made a spectacular sight. So, a clear blue sky. Okay, sky was clear blue in color, lush green mountains with crystal clear waterfalls. Gushing down means flowing down. Waterfalls are flowing down. Okay, a big rainbow was seen, and all this made a spectacular sight. Spectacular means very beautiful and eye-catching sight. Okay, this is amazing, said Lily, smiling. Lily said, smiling, that this total scenery is very beautiful. This is amazing. Okay, I have never seen so many amazing things in a day. She had never seen so many amazing things in a day. They silently clicked a lot of pictures of the seal pups without disturbing them. They clicked the pictures of the babies of the seals without disturbing them. Jack. Now Lily was the sister and Jack was the brother. Okay. Jack wanted to take a closer picture of the seal pups cuddling with each other. Cuddling means what? Embarrassing each other. So the seal pups were cuddling with each other when they play. You might have seen. Okay. So Jack wanted to take a closer picture. Dad quietly moved the boat closer to the rock so that Jack might take the picture closely. And bang! There was a sound. Bang! The boat hit the rocks in the shallow water. Means little depth. Water had little depth and the boat hit the rock. Oops, said Dad. I need to be little more careful. By then it was time to go back. So when the boat hit the rock, Dad said that I need to be little more careful. Okay, and it was time for them to go back. I can't wait to eat my packed sandwich, said Jack. Jack said that I just can't wait to eat my packed sandwich. He was very hungry. Same here, I am so famished. Famished here means what? Extremely hungry, said Lily. Lily also said that she was also extremely hungry to her rumbling stomach. Rumbling stomach means what? Her stomach made a continuous sound. Okay. When you are hungry, your stomach also makes such sound. They hadn't yet gone very far when Jack noticed water swishing around his feet. Dad, the boat is leaking, he shouted. When they hadn't gone very far, Jack noticed that the water was rushing inside around his feet. Okay, and he said that Dad, the boat is leaking. Okay, he was very frightened. Let us see in the next page what it is given. Lily panicked. Lily also was frightened seeing this situation. The water is coming in too fast. She gasped. Means catch one's breath with an open mouth. Gasp means catch one's breath with an open mouth. She was also very panicked. The water was coming inside very fast. Okay. There must be a big hole in the boat. Mom looked for the hole. So they thought that there must be a big hole in the boat, that is why the water is coming inside. So mom looked for the hole. The portions of the boat must have scraped off when it hit the rock, mom diagonally. Mom, she felt that the boat, when it hit the rock, that time only there was a scrap and there was a hole in the boat. She quickly took out a big shawl from her backpack and tried to shove it into the hole to stop the water from coming in. Means shove means what? Push. Okay, to push. So she took a shawl and she tried to push that shawl inside the hole to stop the water. And Dad looked for the tools in the box, but it was empty. So Dad looked for the tools in the toolbox and that toolbox was empty. Dad quickly picked up a bucket lying in the boat. Let's try and bail the water out, he said. So Dad quickly picked up a bucket, okay, that was lying in the boat, and he tried to put out the water, throw out the water. Bail means what? Removing the water from the boat using a container. You can see in the picture. So Dad tried to throw out the water from the boat. Okay. Then what happened? Mom looked for the life jackets in the supply box. So mom looked for the life jackets, but there were only 2 life jackets and they were 4. Okay. So there were only 2 life jackets in that box. She quickly made the children wear the life jackets. Let's go to that island on our right, mom suggested, pointing towards a small island not far ahead. So mom, she quickly made the children wear the life jackets. This shows her concern for her children, that they might keep safe. Okay, and let's go to that island. She pointed towards a island, a small island that was not far ahead. So she said that let's go to that island. Dad checked his phone to call for help, but there was no signal. So Dad tried to call for help, but there was no signal on the phone. Okay, so children tried to shout for help, but it was not loud enough. So children tried to shout, but it was not loud enough so that other persons may hear. Unfortunately, the water gushed in too fast. Soon it was almost up to Lily's knees. So unfortunately, the water got inside the boat, okay, very fast, and it was up to Lily's knees. Okay, Mom, the boat is sinking, Jack cried. Jack said that, Mom, the boat is sinking. Don't panic. Look, we are almost there, said Mom. Mom said that we are almost near the island, so don't get panicked. Okay. we can swim the rest of the way, Dad suggested. So Dad suggested that we can swim to the rest of the way because the island is not far away. I can't swim, I will not jump, cried Jack. Jack was very much frightened. He said that he can't swim, so he will not jump. Don't worry, Jack, we are all three for you, said Lily. Lily said that we three of them, means Mom, Dad and Lily, they will carry Jack to the island. So she said not to worry. So moreover, you have no choice as this boat will sink in no time, said Jack. Said Dad. Dad said that this boat will sink in no time, so you don't have any choice. Don't worry, you are wearing a life jacket, nudged Mom. Mom also said that don't worry, you are wearing a life jacket. Okay. So Jack quickly zipped the camera in his small waterproof pouch. So Jack quickly put his camera inside his waterproof pouch. So children, this chapter is little bit longer, so we end our chapter here. In the part 2 we will complete this chapter. Okay, till then take care, bye, and thank you children.